2022. This is a model we've had for a while, but we've recently gone through a bit of a revamping of the product to kind of meet some of the new expectations in the market. So a lot of customers are asking for bridge legal units, want to be able to drive on federal highways without permits. It's a huge thing for us. And also we found ways to try to keep the machine stable within that weight reduction. So 4142 is a 40-ton crane, 142-foot boom. We have a new 55-foot jib. It's a new basket we've developed in the past year. So the idea being that this crane is used for construction, but also for access. Two-man basket here, designed to comply with OSHA regulations for the double handrails. It also has a hydraulic yoke system to lift the yoke hydraulically, so they can pin it onto the boom tip just by pumping a pump instead of lifting it and straining. A lot of new developments here in our basket design, which is a huge thing for us. So between the 40-ton, the new basket, the new jib, this is really a strong Powerline product.
Also on this basket, we have integral grounding lugs to make it a little bit safer and easier to deploy for the crews out there and the line crews. So that's another little feature. We also have a hydraulic damping on the basket to make it almost, it's not self-leveling, but it performs a lot like a self-leveling basket. We have the same outrigger down as we have on that E160. So we have what we call this is an easy crib outrigger. So a lot of times people are working, especially off-road and transmission, you're on a very unlevel surface. So what this does is and in order to get the truck level, you're taking a lot of cribbing. It's a lot of weight, a lot of twisting and turning and potential back injuries and things like that. We've taken that out of the equation by putting these extra long outriggers. There's a roller assembly that's near the tip of the jib. That makes it extremely easy to deploy the jib. So it's not resting on wear pads. You can take the jib and pull the second stage out much faster than with anything else in the market, and it's a lot easier not only on taking it out, but also putting it back in, which is a little bit harder of a chore. So it makes it a little bit smoother for the operator.
Our new carrier is designed to handle 80,000 pounds. Nobody else has one out there that I'm aware of. This unit has a specially designed track system, modular cab, and a specialized frame that nobody else has. Our frame will accept all types of truck equipment without Frankensteining something together. And we have dual tires down the side, which spreads the weight out much more evenly. We have a padded design on our track system. If you look at our track system, it spreads the weight out much better. We can cross about 4 feet of water with this without any problem. We can climb up and over trees, down to certain size down trees. It can go places where the RT could never dream of going. Our machine is all completely bolted together. We can unbolt this unit and it can be bolted directly back onto a truck. It's the exact same crane with the exact same outriggers. It's a Tier 4 engine, but we could also put any other engine in there for export. So if somebody needed that unit to go to Africa or Europe or someplace, South America, we can put a different engine in it.